Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zelle. Send money through your bank step by step clearly. First, make sure your bank or credit union supports Zelle by checking your bank's website or searching Zelle inside your banking app. Download and install your official bank's mobile app from the App Store or Google Play, or prepare to use the bank's official website on a secure browser. Connect to a trusted internet network and avoid public Wi-Fi when signing in. Open the bank app or visit the bank website and tap or click Login. Enter your online banking username and password exactly as you created them. Complete any security step your bank requires, such as a one-time code, fingerprint, or face verification. After logging in, go to the main menu or dashboard where payment features are listed. Look for a section named Zelle. Send money with Zelle, transfers, or pay and transfer. Tap the Zelle option to open the Zelle setup or main screen inside your bank app. If this is your first time, accept the terms and conditions when they appear. Choose the email address or U.S. mobile number you want to use for Zelle and confirm it is correct. Verify your email or phone if your bank sends a confirmation code or link. Select the bank account you want to use for sending money, such as checking or debit linked account. Return to the Zelle home screen and choose Send or Send Money. If the recipient is already in your contacts, select their name to continue. If the recipient is not listed, tap Add New Recipient and enter their email or U.S. mobile number carefully. Double-check the recipient details because Zelle payments usually cannot be canceled once sent. Enter the amount you want to send and make sure it matches what you intend to pay. Choose a note or memo so the recipient understands what the payment is for. Review the selected funding account to confirm the money will come from the correct place. Check any displayed limits, fees, or delivery time information provided by your bank. Tap Review or Continue to see the final confirmation screen. Confirm the recipient, amount, and account one more time before approving the transfer. Tap Send, Submit, or Confirm to complete the payment through Zelle. Wait for the success message and save or screenshot the confirmation number if available. Check your bank's activity or Zelle history to verify the payment is listed as sent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.